Alright, so I'm in the cool hills of Beverly Hills right here in Kingston, overlooking Kingston City. Nice views of the mountains and all of Kingston's construction happening. And I'm right here at a small complex right here in Beverly Hills. And I'm going to show you what you can get in Beverly Hills for 2,500 US. It's a standalone villa. As you can see right here, there are 4 bedrooms plus helpers quarters. 3 bedrooms plus helpers quarters, but it's pretty nice. Really set up, very beautiful. It's a small complex, not too many people in here. It's just gonna be you and your family just enjoying this space. Check this out. All right, so if it's the first time here, my name is Ariel. I'm a local agent based in Jamaica, and I help my clients with buying and selling properties here. So of course, if you are interested in that kind of content, definitely consider subscribing to this channel, because that's what I feature right here on YouTube. Just click that post notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I post videos about properties like this right here in Kingston. This is nice little setup. Again, small complex. So let's check it out. All right. So as I said, pretty small complex. There are really 4 units here. There are about maybe 2 units on that property here, and there are these 2 properties right here. Each of them with their own little space. You have your own little parking area here. And you kind of enter, of course, into this little grand entryway, which is so beautiful. It's very, very nice. Let's go check it out. So enter into this open space here. I can envision putting some lounge chairs here, just relaxing under the fan. It's very cool, and it's completely meshed, so you don't have to worry about all the critters kind of coming in. You can sit down and take a look what's happening all the way out, way down there. It's beautiful. Lovely doorway here. So you enter into this main space right here. You can either choose to go upstairs or to the powder room, or enter into your lounging space. So of course, you could set up all your entertainment fixtures here, your TV mounted, your couch, and just kind of relax in this space. Very, very nice. And as I said, you have your little powder room. Check this out. Love that. Very beautiful. And has, that mirror here. Nice high ceiling. All right, I'm coming back this way. Enter into your kitchen. Now tell me you would not love to entertain in this kitchen. Imagine all the cooking that you do in this kitchen, and you have your pantry right here, loaded with space. So kitchen built in, everything is here. You have this beautiful island here. You can, of course, just cook and relax and look out. Nice, bright, airy. All right. As I said, you have also your helpers quarters. So it's, enough space. We get some lights on in here. So your helper, can come in, wash up and enjoy themselves. Have a room for them. It's kind of packed up now, but you get the picture. But it's enough space for the assistant to kind of help in keeping the place together. And of course, this door takes you right outside. Nice. Right, so when you finish it downstairs and you're heading up, it's a nice tall setup, tall glass windows. Have a little landing here. You could easily convert this to, a smaller room. This could be, your work area. Working from home is a wonderful thing that COVID left with us. So you could enjoy this space for that. Again, nice bright windows, lots of space. All right, and this is where the 3 bedrooms are. So I'm going to start with this one. So you have your bathroom. Again, this space is newly constructed, so this is all brand new. Have a little walk-in closet. Well, it's not little. And this is bedroom. Nice high vaulted ceilings, nice big windows. Open this up and it's just naturally cool. Bedroom 1. Nice. It's nice. You know, simple but nice. You come out, you have storage here. You have this bedroom. This bedroom has, you know, pretty relaxing views. It must be very nice to be in here at night. You know, kind of looking out on the city. And then of course you have another walk-in closet and your bathroom. And this bathroom has sensored lights. Thoughtful innovation. I love that. That's very nice. So coming out of that one, we head to the primary bedroom. This is without a doubt my favorite space in this property. Very large walk-in closet. Yes, a lot of space to put all the things that a woman needs. I don't know where us men are going to get our space. But you come out of that, back into a sensored light area. Lights stripping in. And you have double vanity. Yeah, that's this beauty right here. Coming home from work, long day, chillax. This is what you got. I love that. And very, very spacious in here. If you just want to get a quick shower, you have a very nice rainy shower head, window. But I love this bathroom. Really, really love this bathroom. And this is what you call a primary bedroom. This is very, very spacious. Similarly, nice high vaulted ceilings here. Just a lot of space for you to relax in. And here you go with more views. And when you're tired of sitting on the inside, you can set up your little chair here. And this is fully meshed. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's fully meshed. This entire property is fully meshed. Just come out and relax. So yeah, that is what $2,500 can get you right here in Beverly Hills. I'm sweating bricks, it's hot. But it's a beautiful space, very, very beautiful space. Standalone, very small, intimate complex. Not many people know of it. It's very, very small and intimate. So a nice little family would enjoy this space here for sure. Come home, you know, above the city, open up your windows, watch the lights come on, you know, when outside is all lit, all the lights are on, all those houses downstairs and all those street lights are on. It must be very beautiful up here. And I can imagine it's probably cooler than now. But, you know, this is definitely what you can look for $2,500 in Kingston, Jamaica right now. Well, specifically in Beverly Hills. Man, listen, if you're looking for property here in Jamaica to either rent or buy, or if you have one to sell, definitely consider reaching out to me. I'll be happy to help you. All right, stick around, check out these videos. I chose them just for you. All right, see you in the next one.